Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Yeah. Alright, Jelly Beans. This is a whatnot video from Junior. Yeah, I know the past few videos, they've mostly been from Junior, but he's been pulling up stuff that I actually like. So, anyway, let me get right to it. It's not going to do any cuts or anything. His link will be down below from Whatnot, so you check his live stream and see what he has. ASMR. Alright. See what we got in here. Got a couple thingies. Oh yeah, here we go. Got two things in here, Jelly Beans. Got this 1956 Ford F-100 custom truck. This is really nice. I like the card itself. It's really freaking awesome. I like this a lot. Thank you very much, Junior. That's pretty sick. I like that. The details on these are amazing. So much better than Hot Wheels. Alright, here we go. Here is another one of my vehicles. And here is my first chase. This is a 1964 Dodge A100 panel van. Tab Cola from Coca-Cola. Is freaking, that's sexy. I'm sexy and I know it. That's pretty sick. I like that very much. Thank you, Junior. Your link is down below. Thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace.